Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guys, I know this is a story that might not interest all of you, but for me, it caught my attention. Now, African Hub reported Uganda President Yoweri Museveni has appointed his daughter, Natasha Museveni, as governor of the Central Bank of Uganda, its daughter. Additionally, last month he appointed his son as Chief of Defense and Military and his wife as Minister of Education. Concerns are rising among Ugandans that he is grooming his son to succeed him as president when he retires after holding office for 39 years. Your comments on this, guys? Holding the office for 39 years, but can we understand that he is smart because he's putting one to be responsible for money, meaning the money runs through the family. Wife, education, meaning education in the country runs through the family. Defense, the son. It means the son also, like the defense of the country, the defense of everything. When chaos happens, it runs in the country. This president, guys, South Africans, you keep on complaining. You will never survive in other countries. Please do like, share, and subscribe.